family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Well, tonight it's Friday night and it's going to be fish night at our home. So we are going to celebrate and hee-haw. So we'll get started making that coleslaw. All right, what I'm going to do is I got the pre-bagged coleslaw. I added some more carrots to it. And what we're going to do is I'm starting out with one cup of mayonnaise. To that I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of sugar. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of white vinegar. I'm going to add 1/4 a teaspoon of dry mustard. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of celery seeds. Mix this up. I like coleslaw. I like the homemade better than I do the bought coleslaw sauce. The jars, they just don't taste good. Okay, we're just going to pour this over the. Now you can do your own coleslaw if you want to chop up your own cabbage, purple and the green, and then make you some shoestring carrots. But I just went with the pre-packaged today. Takes about 1.5 bags of this. I'm going to put that in there to get all that goodness out of that bowl. And there we go. Now we're just going to mix this up. Takes just a minute here to mix it up. But there you go. We've got this all mixed up, and we are going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, I've got the coleslaw in the refrigerator. It's going to sit there about 1.5 to 2 hours so it can marinate together. It'd be so good. So now we're going to do the tartar sauce. I am starting off with 1 cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of pickled relish. To this we're going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now you can also alternate and use white vinegar if you wish, but I'd rather use the lemon juice. So the lemon juice, and then I've got 1 teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. I like the Dijon better than I do the yellow. So put in your Dijon Mustard. Okay, and next comes about a tablespoon of onion, or like old Justin Wilson, a good old Louisiana cook, used to say onion. So this is 1 tablespoon of chopped onion that we're adding. All right, now then we're going to add, now the salt and pepper is to your taste. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. And we're going to just mix it up, and that is going to be our tartar sauce to go alongside our fish and with our coleslaw after all. Put this in the refrigerator, let it set for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be good to go on our fish. If you fill it up real good, this will keep in the refrigerator about a week and a half or so. So we're going to fill it up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and we'll be back after a while and show you what it looks like with our fish. Okay, we are back. I've got my fish fried up, and I've plated up my coleslaw and my tartar sauce. So I wanted to show you the finished product. Now then, we're going to dig in and eat. You all have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.
Also, be sure to like and subscribe.
Awesome. Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.